In this video, we'll show you our new functionality where you can hide your table in Titan Word-Addin if no data from Salesforce. Okay, so how does this work? Well, let's say I have an account here called Titan, and that account has 3 contacts. So if I was to go ahead and do account name, insert field, and the first one is going to come from account itself, and then we'll just choose account name. Now what I want to do is I want to display related contacts to that account. So I'm going to go ahead and choose my object contact. We'll choose full name, we'll choose email, and then we'll choose the account itself. And then I'll just have to map my fields. And we will do email here, and then finally account ID, set the reference to be account name, like that. Now this looks pretty good, and now all I have to do is join the filters. So we will say contact with the account ID. In the first account ID, we need to bring all the contacts back. If I go into Salesforce and I take this account ID here and chuck it in here, click save, save conditions, preview now, and then there you go. Very, very simple. There's your account name and these are the related contacts. This is good, not a problem. But what if we choose somebody with no contacts? So this account here has 0 contacts. So let's take the ID for a second, and we will insert it into our filter here and then run a preview. Now obviously it's not going to return any contacts, that's a given, but it does return the table header, and that can be very annoying because in a Word document sometimes it's okay that it doesn't have any data, but we don't really want to see the headers because it just looks messy. So we created a functionality for you. Whenever you now set up a table, whether that's a related table or whatever have you, you have a functionality called hide empty table. And what this means, if the table has no data, including the header, the table will be hidden. So once you check this and recreate the table, what you'll find is if I preview now, it will only show the account name because that's the only one that's available, like this. And you see the table is now completely hidden. Alright, and that's what this functionality does. It's pretty simple, it's pretty straightforward, and hopefully it will assist you in your formatting as well.